दादू!
मुझे उस आदमी को ढूंढना है जिसने हमसे एंजेला को छीना। I promise you, मैं उसको ढूंढ के लाऊंगा।
Sujoy and I have been trying to work together since I think a year, a little more than that, since Teen began, and we were trying to write something for Mr. Bachchan.
I think both of us wanted Mr. Bachchan in the script, so we were actually looking at scripts which would fit Sir into the script.
So they started narrating, and within I think 30 or 40 seconds, I said, "This is it. Stop. I don't want to hear anymore. I want to do this." One of the things that Ribu said was that we don't want to present you in perhaps the way that other people assume that you ought to be behaving in a film. For whatever that meant, I don't have any idea what that meant. But anyway, they seemed to think that there was a certain bravado in all the characters that I portray, and they didn't want that because this character was not like that. He's old, he's retired, he's weak, both physically and psychologically and temperamentally. He's middle class, he's Anglo-Bengali, and he's traumatized by an incident that has happened with his granddaughter.
There is no Amit Ji in this film. There's only a character called John Biswas in this film. There is no Amit Ji. And he has taken it to another league altogether.
You know, the way you will see Mr. Bachchan in this film is very different, and that was the idea from day one. And that's the challenge, you know, not only for us, also for him. And he's somebody who will just, you know, if you put challenge in front of him, he'll be so much excited and so much ready to take that. And John, the character, is an old man, and a retired old man staying somewhere in North Calcutta. So he had to be very real. He had to be, you know, that kind of middle class man who maybe, you know, that one shirt he wears, you know, almost 5 days a week.
I think the idea was to just keep it as a very, very normal human being, rather than give the impression that I'm actually doing a performance. For me as an actor, that was a great revelation. It was something very interesting.
बच्चन साहब जैसे एंट्री लेते हैं तो उनकी सारी फिल्में उनके आने से पहले उनकी फिल्में ध्यान में आने लगती हैं। कभी ऐसे, कभी दीवार, कभी जंजीर, कभी मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, कभी शहनशाह। तो जैसे वहाँ से सामने से आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ तक उनकी कम से कम 10-12 पिक्चरें दिमाग में आ जाती हैं। तो उस चीज़ को लेके मैं ऑफकोर्स हर एक्टर के अंदर एक कॉन्शियसनेस रहती है, इतने बड़े हमारे मेगा स्टार हैं हमारी कंट्री के। बट जब उनके साथ काम किया, पहला सीन किया मैंने, और उनका जो सुर लगा, तो वो जो नोट थी, उससे मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि वो बच्चन साहब है, मुझे लगा कि ये जॉन है। और मैं बिल्कुल, क्योंकि जॉन के साथ जो मेरी रिलेशनशिप है वो उनके सुर ने मुझे दी एक्चुअली।
I think in every film he just has that unbelievable ability to transform into the character. So when you see the character emerge, it is fascinating. It's absolutely fascinating. So we don't share too much screen time together, but it was wonderful working with him again.